हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एमएस सिविल लेक्चर्स। मैं खान मोहम्मद मोहतशिम। आज के इस लेक्चर में मैं आप लोगों को एमसीक्यू ऑन मेंटेनेंस एंड रिपेयर मेथड्स फॉर मशीनरी बताने वाला हूं, जो कि फोर्थ यूनिट है मेंटेनेंस एंड रिपेयर ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर्स का। आज के इस लेक्चर में हम लोग 30 एमसीक्यूज विथ आंसर्स देखने वाले हैं। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए। मैं आपको आपके एग्ज़ाम से पहले हर यूनिट पर एमसीक्यू प्रोवाइड करने की कोशिश करूँगा। अगर आपने मेरे मेंटेनेंस एंड रिपेयर ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर्स के लास्ट लेक्चर्स नहीं देखे तो पहले प्लीज़ उसे देखो, तो आप लोग को कंटिन्यूटी मिलेगी। आपके स्क्रीन के ऊपर टॉप कॉर्नर पे आई का सिंबल दिख रहा होगा। जब आप उसे क्लिक करोगे तो आपको मेरे लास्ट लेक्चर्स मिल जाएंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं एमसीक्यू ऑन मेंटेनेंस एंड रिपेयर मेथड्स फॉर मशीनरी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, cracks are broadly classified into dash type. Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5. The right answer is 2. Question number 2, the cracks which are due to incorrect design, faulty construction or overloading are: option A structural cracks, option B non-structural cracks, option C thermal expansion, option D none of these. The right answer is structural cracks. Question number 3. The cracks due to internal induced stresses, thermal movement and moisture change are: option A structural cracks, option B non-structural cracks, option C both A and B, option D thermal expansion. The right answer is non-structural. Question number 4. Shrinkage cracks are usually of constant width, normally less than: option A 10 mm, option B 5 mm, option C 2 mm, option D 7 mm. The right answer is 2 mm. Question number 5. Expansion of cement, mortar and concrete is almost dash of the bricks: option A same, option B twice, option C thrice, option D none of these. The right answer is twice. Question number 6. Movement in brickwork in vertical direction is dash more than in horizontal direction: option A 75%, option B 70%, option C 60%, option D 50%. The right answer is 50%. Question number 7. Cracks due to thermal movement is caused due to: option A external heat, option B internal heat, option C both A and B, option D none of these. The right answer is both A and B. Question number 8. Dash is more liable to cracking: option A external wall, option B internal wall, option C partition wall, option D none of these. The right answer is external wall. Question number 9. How many ways cracking in wall and floor can occur when soil under the foundation of a building is shrinkable clay? Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5. The right answer is 3. Question number 10. In case of framed structure, roof slab, beams and move jointly, causing dash cracks in wall: option A square, option B rectangle, option C triangle, option D diagonal. The right answer is diagonal. Question number 11. In partition wall, a horizontal expansion joint dash on top of the wall can be provided for prevention: option A 10 mm, option B 20 mm, option C 30 mm, option D 40 mm. The right answer is 10 mm. Question number 12. What are the causes of masonry wall cracks? Option A bulging, option B shrinkage, option C growth of vegetation, option D all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Question number 13. Epoxy mortar is used for dash environment: option A permeable, option B solid, option C impermeable, option D none of these. The right answer is impermeable. Question number 14. Epoxy mortar are used for dash crack thickness: option A 15 mm, option B 20 mm, Option C 25 mm. Option D 30 mm. The right answer is 25 mm. Question number 15. Epoxy injection method is for bounding cracks sections of width as minimum mm to maximum dash mm. Option A 0.05 to 0.075 mm. Option B 0.025 to 0.076 mm. Option C 0.5 to 0.7 mm. Option D none of these. The right answer is 0.05 to 0.075 mm. Question number 16. In epoxy injection method, cracks is cut in option A V shape, option B P shape, option C L shape, option D T shape. The right answer is V shape. Question number 17. Gluing and sealing method used for cracks of dash mm width. Option A 2 to 3 mm, option B 3 to 4 mm, option C 2 to 4 mm, option D 3 to 5 mm. The right answer is 3 to 4 mm. Question number 18. The aim of sealant is to create a barrier to dash and to joint the crack surface. Option A air, option B water, option C concrete, option D none of these. The right answer is water. Question number 19. In the shotcrete process, dash cement is generally used. Option A ordinary Portland cement, option B low heat cement, option C rapid hardening cement, option D none of these. The right answer is ordinary Portland cement. Question number 20. Dampness is caused due to option A leakage through the defective roof, option B chemical reaction, option C lack of curing, option D none of these. The right answer is leakage through the defective roof. Question number 21. With respect to concreting, more cracks are possible in option A summer, option B winter, option C monsoon, option D none of these. The right answer is summer. Question number 22. Shear crack in RCC member occur due to option A thermal expansion, option B large differential settlement in the foundation, option C deflection of RCC beam, option D all of these. The right answer is all of these. Question number 23. Spalling is caused due to option A dampness, option B wind, option C corrosion, option D none of these. The right answer is wind. Question number 24. Dash is preventive measure for spalling in masonry wall. Option A masonry sealant is used. Option B lime wash is used. Option C anti-corrosive material is used. Option D none of these. The right answer is lime wash is used. Question number 25. Link coba is used to option A prevent leakage through RCC slab, option B provide proper drainage, option C add structural strength to slab, option D none of these. The right answer is prevent leakage through RCC slab. Question number 26. When the depth of filling is not more than 45 cm, composition of the soil done after putting a layer of the rubber of thickness option A 30 to 35 cm, option B 30 to 40 cm, option C 20 to 30 cm, option D 30 to 45 cm. The right answer is 30 to 40 cm. Question number 27. For the construction of compacted stone column, the diameter of holes are option A 0.6 to 1 meter, option B 0.5 to 1 meter, option C 1 to 2 meter, option D none of these. The right answer is 0.6 to 1 meter. Question number 28. The most common chemical group is option A silicates, option B ignitions, option C resins, option D all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Question number 29. Groots containing dash percent of silicates. Option A 20 to 30%, option B 25 to 30%, option C 30 to 40%, option D none of these. The right answer is 20 to 30%. Question number 30. Sodium silicate, also called as option A acrylamide, option B water glass, option C resins, option D none of these. The right answer is water glass. Thank you for watching this video. Please like my video, share my video. Thank you.